Morning, boys and girls. Some of the children out of reception are going to have a game of dominoes. I've sorted all the dominoes out and I've taken out all the higher numbers, so the only dominoes that are left that go up to the number 6. So the boys here have already picked out 7 domino cards and we're going to start the game. So if you have a double, I'd like you to go first. So if you've got a double, have you got a double? Oh, you've got a double, pop it in the middle. So it's your turn now. So have you got the number 6? Pop it in the middle. I'll turn it that way so it goes beside the 6 next to the double, okay? So it's back to your turn. Have you got a 6 or a number 3? Pop that in the middle. Does it go there or does it go next to the number 3? That's better. So back to your turn. Number 3 or a number 6?
3.
Number 3? What a super job. Now back to your turn. Look at the numbers. What do you need? Or a 1. Have a look at your cards. Have you got a 6 or a 1? Does that match? Remember, it goes to the same number. Right, back to your turn. What number are you looking for?
5.
Or a
1.
A 1. Have you got any of them?
I got a 1.
Put it down where you think it'll go. Right, your turn. What number are you looking for?
I ready.
You've already got it ready. Right, now your turn. You need a 3 or a
2.
2. Right, pop that one down. And then you need a
3
or a 4. Have you got any of them?
3. I'm win this.
Oh,
I got a proper win this.
competition. Right, have you got, what's this one? It's 0, of course it is. Or a
How's 0? 4.
4. Have a look at your cards. Have you got any of them?
I got 0.
Oh, so which side are you going to put that down?
This side.
That side, okay. So it's this one. What's this one again?
0.
0 or a,
0.
have you got a 0?
I haven't.
He hasn't got a 0. What do you think you might do if you can't go? You knock on the floor.
On the floor.
We're knocking at this side, so you will have to miss a change because you haven't got the cards. You haven't got any dominoes to match. Your turn. You're looking for a
0. Where's 0?
Have you got any? Oh, what are you? You're knocking as well. Oh dear. So we can't go any further with that game. So if you can count up all your dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
$17, and you had
It was 13, wasn't
14? That means you're the winner this time because you've got the less dots left on your cards. So I think we need to turn them over and start again, and then we'll have to shuffle them up